Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. We just finished our October 2022 monthly challenge, which was all about how to play harmony. Two things. I wanted to say that these challenges are open to all Accordion Love students. If you're a student of Accordion Love, please enter these challenges. You'll also notice I've put some names beside me. These people have done 24 straight challenges in a row. They haven't missed a month in 2 years. There are more people coming every month that are on their 24th challenge, so A plus, thumbs up. Now, I wanted to, just like I did last month, I wanted to highlight five people and what I got out of their challenges. I wanted to pay particular attention to these people's challenges. I'll share my screen and I'll show you what I learned from them. So I have two challenges here. One is Connie and one is Claire. I want you to pay attention to the importance of hand shape. This is something that I saw over and over again. The importance of moving your fingers correctly in order to achieve melody and harmony. Let's watch Connie do it, and then let's watch Claire do it. Well done, Connie, right? That was Tennessee Waltz. Do-da-da-ba. Beautiful. Let's watch Claire do it as well. Claire's challenge was really cool. She introduced melody a few times, then harmony, then left hand. Notice the hand shape. The hand shape is consistent. We're not reforming every time. The hand... This hand shape is locked in. Great job. I also wanted to show Christian. Christian had a really great challenge. Christian, what I want you to see in this challenge is that Christian relies on his ear as well as what's written down. He's playing Scarborough Fair. But watch, he catches his mistake, and I love that he stops and he says, "Oh, that doesn't sound right. Let me figure it out." Let's watch. Oh. Good, and he corrects himself. And the same thing happens a little bit later. We watch Christian going through that process, and I think this is such an important thing as a learner. As a learner, I learn by watching other people. This is really awesome. The same thing happens here with Brian. Brian kind of gives us a view into a hypothesis, what he's going to do, and then as he does it, he says, "Oh, let me not adjust my hypothesis. Let me adjust what I'm doing because what I thought I was going to do didn't work out."
Minor third. So just going up
On a diatonic
button and doing this run. But when I put those together, it doesn't sound too good.
And so Brian explains how he corrects himself. Awesome, awesome. I love seeing that insight. I also wanted to show Travis. Travis had an awesome deep dive. He took 8 minutes to explain how he went about his thinking about harmony with specific examples. Travis, thank you for that awesome deep dive. And then the last thing I wanted to point out, I'll leave links in the description to all of these. Chris went through his monthly challenge and he highlighted how sometimes the harmony sounds strange. We might play, and this sounds nice, but that this one sounds a little strange. So Chris explored that with strange sounds on his digital accordion. Let's listen. The Blue Danube, the Anniversary Waltz, beautiful exploration of sound. Awesome. Again, this everyone is free to look and do these monthly challenges. Accordion Love members get to post onto the forum when you get feedback from learners from all over the world. You do a challenge 6 times within a year, and I'll send you an Accordion Love t-shirt. You do a challenge 12 times in a year without missing a month, I'll send you a special Accordion Love prize pack. Yeah, and again, some people have been doing this for 2 years without missing a month. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions. Check out the November challenge as well. Bye-bye.